Hey everyone, welcome to Trade with Rob, brought to you by wealthbuildershq.com. This update is for Thursday, March 13, 2025. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope it's been a great trading day for you. As we get started, keep in mind everything we look at is for education. Nothing's meant to be advice or recommendations. If you find something you like, anything, make sure it fits your own personal risk profile and risk tolerance. All right, so I want to go ahead and start off with the S&P 500 and see what the heck is going on. So guys, we've had as you are all aware, unless you're under a rock, we've had this massive pullback, and we're at a very critical point at this purple line, which is a 0.618. It's a major Fibonacci level. We did gap up today. We ran up higher. We pulled all the way down here, higher low. It actually sets us up for what could be a swing low, a new place to redraw the fib off of, if we can get a continuation bounce from here. I don't have enough move to redraw the fibs just yet. But I like the overall pattern of where it's starting to go, but we are still, what are we up today? 8 points. I can't see it up there. 27 points right now. Market is closed already for the day. So let's go take a look at our three candidates. They're in alphabetical order. The very first one is ETN. Let's bring this in where we can see the entire fib first. All right, so let me escape out of that. All right, there we go. I had it scrunched down. So there's the entire fib right there. Where are we at right now? Okay. So we're sitting in a bearish neutral bias right now. I definitely like the downside of this switchback trade better. Small move up, retest at 295, a fail. We're looking at 284 as support. We're looking at a target here of about 286. Right, stop would be, so trade would be taken right off of there. Stop would be just on the other side of that 295. If we do make the move up, I'm okay with that. Move up, retest, bounce. Right, we're going to take the trade off of the bounce. We're going to put our stop down just down below. If 309 is resistance, right about 307, 306 is going to be our target. You got to watch in here. You will have a 300-point level. In there, that may become some hesitation. If you see it starting to fail at that point, I'd get out of the trade. All right, FLUT is number 2. Let's go look at the entire Fibonacci on this one. First, there you go, the entire fib. This is a newer stock, and I knew that because as I was looking at it here, I see the 55 moving average was just starting there, which means it was not that old of a company. So a little over a year at this point. Okay. So we're in a bearish bias. I definitely like this better to the downside, but in this market, the downside is almost a perfect bet the way things are now. So small move down, retest, fail. 223 is support. We're looking at about 224, 225 as our target. Take the trade as it falls off of that 234 half level. Stop just on the other side. For the upside trade, which I like the movement opportunity a little bit better there, maybe, I think. Because our resistance is at 247, let's call it, right? That's resistance there. So we would get a small move up, a retest, and a bounce, right? If resistance is at 247 over here, we're looking at a target of about 245. Yeah, so we have a few dollars more, but nothing, it's not really as big as I thought. With the 8 moving average threw me off. I wasn't accounting for that at first. So overall, I like this trade in either direction. I'm good to go. And then last, and certainly not least, is INTU. Right? Good, decent little move in there. We backed off a little bit from where we were at the end of the day. So right now, I like this one better to the downside. But I need a retest, a move up first. Retest that 595, fail. And that 569 is support. So we're going to take the trade as it fails off there. We're going to put our stop on the other side. My target on this one is going to be about 572, 573, somewhere around there. I got a lot of room in here. So I'm not trying to pick up the last little pennies here, the scraps, right? On the upside now, move up, retest, bounce, take the trade off of the bounce, set your stop below support. If resistance is at 611, and once again, you got a 600 in here, that could become a slowdown point. If resistance is at 611, my target's going to be right about 607 is my target. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great rest of your day. I will see you at our next one. Bye for now.